you said the supply of fertilizer is still fine at this point. Some of the economists we've spoken to have said parang may mga shortages na sa, for example, sa Mindanao, sa may mga areas sa Mindanao. And if not shortage if not supply disruption, mataas naman daw, masyadong mahal at this point. Are you able to monitor the price and supply of urea, of fertilizer nationwide?
Yeah. Similar sa fuel kasi ito ay fuel-based, ammonia-based itong fertilizer. Pag tumaas yung presyo ng fuel, nakakaroon ng immediate impact sa presyo ng fertilizer. At nakikita actually natin na nagtataas na yung presyo ng fertilizers for urea, for complete, Amosol, MOP. Lahat ito nakikita na natin na magtataas. At kaya yung talagang ating hakbangin ngayon sa DA ay magkaroon ng karapatang supply. Una yun, maghanap ng supply. Importante na meron nun at ma-ensure na pamamahagi ito. Kasi ang critical talaga yung susunod natin na cropping season.
Correct.
And meron pa naman tayong enough supply, but eventually ang problema yung presyo. At doon gagawin ng DA yung hakbangin para magkaroon ng sapat na fertilizer yung ating mga magsasaka na gagamitin. Kasi after nung cropping season natin ng May hanggang September, susunod naman yung dry cropping season ulit pagdating ng October, November. This year pa rin. So hopefully by that time, medyo okay na yung fertilizer prices. Pero kung hindi pa rin, definitely magka-impact pa rin yan.
Yeah, Asek, sorry. Just very quickly, we're running out of time. But how are you planning to ensure the continued supply? Because yun nga yung question at this point. If the Strait of Hormuz remains closed, right? And if the prices are more than 50% up na pre-war compared to pre-war prices, and I know you have a limited budget. So how are we going to ensure continued supply of fertilizer? May alternative sources ba?
Aside from diversifying our sources, kasi ngayon karamihan galing China, Indonesia, and other countries, the Secretary is already in talks with other countries, Russia, Belarus, para doon sa source natin ng mga synthetic fertilizer. Ito nga yung mga fuel ammonia-based. We are also looking doon sa ibang alternatives natin, kagaya ng mga biofertilizer, soil ameliorants, na can replace up to 50% or more ng mga urea and other synthetic fertilizer requirements natin. At nagkaroon na actually, ngayon yung ating quick response fund will be used to buy this biofertilizer to augment yung o kaya to replace yung ating pangangailangan for inorganic and synthetic fertilizers.
I see. And biofertilizers, there's domestic production of it, di ba? We can source locally?
Yeah, both local and imported. We can easily source itong mga biofertilizer at marami rin production sa atin dito locally.
It's very good to hear.